Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Jimmy Wabutokwa.
Mata before get hole ne. O mana ngwanyana la bolela last week. Kwa FNB. And then over the too much on Mutellet. Camera before level Wanelo Mujane, Omujaro was said about pirates. About only Ponsi Jabao. Kamusharen. Level on a Ponsimo. Tangi, Wanela, if you never content, I will never my chiefs. I'll listen on one of chiefs board. Stibo. Thank you. That one alone to ile. If you know what tomorrow, no much. Ardoli post. When you have a parent, I do post. Jawa tomorrow to fetch. Paragal ponsi, clicks, bag ponsi babo. About ponsi, bag ponsi mo. Bomu 100%. Stibo. Game you fetch my friend agone. Thank you for two. It's score goals. Although my parents are not the right. Oman lumfanola. Lumfano sa lumfano munyan. Maputu. Ramolar na Pirates. Mfano sa gore Manchester Murwa. Le Pirates amuro. Aba tsaka mfano. Mfano today score the goals. Pirates win. Respect. Mfano sa mfano munyana. Ar mfano thego mfano do sa rupa. But just ba Murwa bare mfano na le clean sheet na le Pirates amuro. No. Ar tsaka mfano la ne. We love the boy. The ball come and then next to the boy will kill chips.
He's a quality.
Skata ra gola. Taguma pagana ka ngwa if you are motoko ba re basadi ba sorry ne. Once you lose, we love Pirates, we sub Pirates. Number 1. Ujo mfana ka 24 re motoko wa nyala. 23 Pirates ja cup ba sa P or Polokwane because Olympic re ka se. Kari 24 if ba se Polokwane ha o bo mogala. Re ya motoko ro di na matango sibo we love you.
Thank you.